How to download Studico documents. So if you want to download Studico documents, then what you need to do is first, you need to open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then go with search and search for Studico. Go with the first section or the first link, which will take you to the official website. Make sure that you've logged into your account or sign in using your Google account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a dashboard like this. You'll notice it's a basic account to upgrade to premium for free. Now click on the upload or the new button, which is here on the left side, and click on upload. And in my case, I have an option to upload 3 practice materials or 3 summaries, but it might be different in your region or in your country. It might be 3 or 5. So you'll find an option to share 5 documents such as assignment, practice materials, lecture notes, or summaries. By uploading these 5 documents, you'll receive 10 weeks of premium access. Or in my case, I have 3 documents upload and I'll get 9 days of premium and get unlimited downloads and views. Simply click on Browse My Files, which is here in the middle of your screen, and then select the 5 documents from your PC and upload them. After submitting, fill out the required details and proceed to the next step. Once approved, you'll either get 9 days of premium or 14 days of premium, whichever is available in your region for each document. The remaining 5 approved documents equals 10 weeks of premium. You'll also be helping thousands of students improve their studies. If you need even more premium access, you can upload additional documents to extend the duration. Once done, return to the home page. After that, browse available documents. Like I've searched for business administration documents right here. Once you find the documents, you can just simply click on it and you will have a download option right here. You need to click on download. And in this way, you'll be able to download Studico documents. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.